Hello everyone! In this video, I will demonstrate how to acquire Microsoft Office for free. We won't be using any third-party software or activators, as they may potentially contain malware or spyware that could harm our computers. Instead, I will provide step-by-step guidance on activating Office through a legitimate method, ensuring that your Office suite is activated under your Microsoft account. There are a total of 4 main steps for installing Microsoft Office and activating the software. In the initial step, you need to access the official Microsoft website to download the Office deployment tool. Subsequently, the deployment tool will be extracted into 5 different files for the later installation of Microsoft Office. I will be showcasing the entire process step by step in this video. Upon reaching the Microsoft website, download the Office deployment tool. Once the installer is downloaded, create a folder for file extraction. In this example, I am establishing a new folder named Office in the C drive. Proceed to click on the Office deployment tool and extract the files into the folder you just created in the C drive. There are 5 different files in the Office folder after extracted. In the second step, we will create a Microsoft Office profile using XML configuration, and then export the XML file into the Office folder. Within the Office customization tool, the initial task is to choose the 32-bit or 64-bit version compatible with your current Windows system. Simultaneously, you can opt for the specific version of Microsoft Office that suits your preference. For this demonstration, I am selecting Microsoft Office 2021 with the standard version. You also have the option to include additional software such as Microsoft VCO or Microsoft Project. Furthermore, you can select different language packs for Microsoft Office. Meanwhile, you have additional options to select Office apps like Word, Excel, or Outlook to be included in the Office pack. I am selecting English as the language pack for the Office installation later. Once all the Office customization settings are configured, proceed to select the configuration output in XML format for future installation. Accept the license agreement and export the XML file to your local computer. In this example, I named the exported file call config.xml and copied it into the same Office folder created in Step 1. Ensure the deployment and XML configuration file are in the same Office folder before proceed to the Office installation. In the third step, we will proceed with the installation of Microsoft Office. Begin by downloading the Office configuration file into the Office deployment tool. In the demonstration, I will open the command prompt. Navigate to the Office folder by changing the C drive path. Next, issue the setup command to download the XML configuration file into the installer. It takes a little while to completing XML configuration download. Once the downloading process is completed, issue the final setup command to initiate the Office installation. You will notice that Office is installing into your computer now. The final step involves the activation of Microsoft Office. There are two commands to activate the Office with the scripts. In the demonstration, Microsoft Office has been successfully installed on the computer. To verify the product activation, create a Microsoft Word file to confirm that Office is in the evaluation period and activation is required for a full copy. The crucial task is to issue the final command for Office activation. Begin by opening a command prompt with administrator rights. Remember to right-click on the command prompt and run it as an administrator to avoid activation failures. Next, identify the Microsoft Office installation path. For Windows 32-bit, it will be in the x86 folder, and for Windows 64-bit, it will be in the Program Files folder. In my demonstration, I am running 64-bit Windows 10, so I am copying the Office 16 folder in the Program Files directory. Paste the Office path into the command prompt. The first command is to connect to the KMS server, and the final command with the script is to activate Microsoft Office. The activation process takes some time to complete. Once finished, you will receive the output indicating successful product activation. To further verify the activation, open Microsoft Word again. You should see the confirmation that the product is activated in your Microsoft profile. All the steps, along with additional backup information such as the KMS server link, will be detailed in the YouTube video description. Feel free to access the description for comprehensive instructions and resources. Stay tuned for more tech freebies in the upcoming videos. If you find the content helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.